And residents woke up to snow blanketing streets, sidewalks, and doorsteps this morning. But the big storm didn't stop everyone from heading out today.
You just have to go slow, and hopefully everybody goes slow.
Every neighborhood street had someone wielding a shovel or a snowblower before they could go anywhere. Destiny Richards spent the morning out in that snow and shows us how one neighborhood handled it.
Whether it was going to work or to school this morning, some handled the snow better than others.
Do you like snow in general?
Yes.
But only if you have to stay at home, right?
Yeah.
You just have to go slow, and hopefully everybody goes slow because it's slick, it's thick snow.
Doherty is a chiropractor who lives just 2 miles from his practice. But while he was just going into work, many here in the Emerson Garfield neighborhood were still shoveling walkways and trying to clear their cars.
I have a neighbor that comes around with a snowblower, and he does our block, which is nice. Then I come out and keep shoveling all day long, but you know, it's exercise, and I like it.
While city plows treat hills, bridges, and arterials, this is the time of day where many residents are left to their own devices. We've seen city plows out and about, but by 10 a.m. this morning, many neighborhood streets look like this, completely packed with snow as it's still coming down. Beamer says it's been difficult for plows to get by on narrow streets where there are too many cars.
It's really hard for everybody to move to the opposite side of the street because there's no room. There just isn't. Not all the streets are that way, I know, but most of these residential ones are a lot narrower.
Despite the difficulties, Beamer says he doesn't mind the big storm.
It covers up a lot of crap in my yard sometimes.
And believes it's all part of living in the inland Northwest. Destiny Richards, 4 News Now.